Hello, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, let us take a look at how do we update the file properties that are in the SharePoint Online document library using Power Automate Desktop. Let's get started. Now, I do have a document library called Projects. Under that, I have the Service Desk Automation folder. In that, I have some onboarding documents where you can see I have some custom properties called Project ID, Document Type, and Description. What we want to do is we would like to update the properties of the onboarding document of the project ID and the document type. What we want to do is we want to update the project ID and the document type of this onboarding document file. Let's do that. First, what we need is we need the file identifier. We will need to use get file metadata. Drag and drop get file metadata. Let's select the IT department site and let's go and grab the file. You can also use the variable to define the path. Projects. Under the projects, I'm going to go and select the Service Desk Automation. In that, onboarding documents, and let's select the docx file. Click on Save. Let me run and show you the ID that we get as a result of the response. That's the item ID which we need, and that is something which we'll use while updating the property. Now let's drag update the file properties. Select the IT department site. You can also bring the site from a variable. Library name going to be projects. And then it will automatically look for the dynamic properties. Now this is the ID of the file that we would like to make a change. So let me expand this. And even if you open this, we have the item ID, which is the output of the previous variable. Select the item ID. Title, well, let me call it title from PAD. Project ID, that's going to be Service Desk Automation. Let's change the project ID. It's 2601. Let's change it to 2602. The description, let's say description from Power Automate Desktop. Document type value, you can also bring in from the variable. Let me go ahead and select the design document. Well, actually it's the onboarding document, but just show you the concept. I'm changing the document type. Content type ID I'm going to keep as it is, and that's the response of the patch file item. Because we are updating it, we are patching it. Let's hit run, and let me have this browser open a little bit. Now it started executing and it's updating the file properties, and execution is completed. Let's observe the first file, refresh, and you will see the change in the properties. You can see a few seconds ago, the project ID is changed from O1 to O2, and the document type is changed from onboarding to design document. If we expand, you can also see the description column, which is description from the Power Automate desktop. Well, I hope the simple example helped you to understand how do you update the file which is in the SharePoint Online document library, its metadata using Power Automate desktop. Thank you so much for watching this video.